Mr. Juan Daniel. Shout out to you. Russell Brannan. Hello, how are you? How are you feeling today? Actually, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. Thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. I love you. Do-do-do-do. Walay break, walay cambio. Aray, sakit. Mangyaring mahal na maliliit na kahilingan, ipakita ang iyong mga kilikili na may zoom. Okay, I'm gonna show you my kali-kali. How is it? How was my kali-kali? Kiss. Kiss. You can kiss that. It smells good. Wow. Smells good. Di yan mabaho, ha? Hi, Mathudi. Hello, my dear. Hello there in Indonesia. Raul, hello. Kilindos Iklabosh. Jose Gomez, hello. Hello, Mr. John. Dinilaan ko na ang screen ng phone ko. You're crazy. Tomorrow your phone is not working anymore. Norla Scar, hello. Where's my, oh my goodness. I'm gonna try, I have this new, I have a new lip tint here, velvet lip tint. So I'm gonna try. If it's nice on my lips, watch out. So let's gonna try this. I'm gonna try. I love it actually. Tayo, hindi naman ako makita dyan. Wala naman akong signal. How was the lip tint on my lips? Is it look good on me? Is it looking sexy? Or what?